Good afternoon, Bhumi. Good afternoon, Adit. Beta, send the link in the group, beta, and tell them to join fast. Good afternoon, Kritika. Good afternoon, Aparna. Beta, NCRT, some questions are left. Now this chapter, the massive tricky part of the chapter is exactly going to be over. And we are just solving by CBSE method, so it is exactly making it more worse. Now we will be finishing this part, beta. Third angle, 3-angle formula will be there. We will be discussing that. Good afternoon, Arvind. Good afternoon, Pavitra. Good afternoon, Pooja. Good afternoon, Aparna. Beta, let's start the class, beta. Now remaining NCRT questions. Beta, remaining NCRT questions, some 2, 3, again tricky NCRT questions are left. Today first we will be finishing them and then we will go to the next section, beta. Okay. Now first question, what we have not done yesterday, I think yesterday last question tan x one we have done. Now look here, today first question is sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x equal to 4 cos square x. Good afternoon, Shriharin. Good afternoon, Daneshwari. Good afternoon, Anila. Good afternoon, Arvind. Now look here, beta. This question, so beta 2, 3 CBSE, some very NCRT, some very important questions are there. Once we will finish, beta, once you will go in that chapter in trigonometry NCRT, means you will be knowing the way of solving. You will very easily be able to solve. So 4 cos square x into sine 4x. So this is what, beta, you have to prove. So here, into sine 4x is coming, into sine 4x is coming. So now beta, this is one NCRT question is there. Now how to solve this question? Now look here, beta, what you have to bring here, first focus in what you have to bring here. You have to bring here sine 4x. Okay, now here in the question sine 4x is there. That means how to arrange this one to get sine 4x. So first I will go towards LHS. Now beta, in the LHS section, what I will do? I will write the LHS section, that is sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. I have taken. Now my focus is right side sine 4x. I want this sine 4x. So what I am going to do here is, what work to do to bring this two together. So I am going to bring these two together. What I am writing? I am taking them together, sine 2x plus sine 6x. And then beta, I just take this part separate, sine 4x. Okay. Now sine A plus sine B formula I am going to apply. That this one will become sine 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2. Beta, in angle, the bigger angle you can just, because it is just commutativity with respect to addition, so we can shift this one. You can write sine 6x first and then sine 2x, and then you can write this formula. Then beta, here 2 sine 4x is there. Then what I have used here, we must write what we have used here. We will say that sine A plus sine B formula used, that is 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A plus B by 2 formula, sorry, A minus B by 2 formula used. So this formula we have used. After writing this one, beta, what we can do here, 2 sine, this one will become 6x plus 2x is 8x, 8x by 2 into cos, here 6x minus 2x is 4x by 2 plus 2 sine 4x. Now look here, children, here most important thing is, once you will cancel it, beta, now are you getting something? You are getting here 2 sine 4x into cos 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now beta, in the RHS side you see sine 4x is there. So this is the shortcut 1, 2, 3 step. It is coming out sine 4x, and here 2 and 2 is there. So shall we take 2? Now look here, what is common here, beta? 2 sine 4x. So we will take out 2 sine 4x. What left inside, beta? Left inside is cos 2x plus 1, because beta 2 sine 4x we have already taken out. So cos 2x plus 1. So 1 sin 4x is already there. But beta in the RHS side, they said cos square x. That means we have to use that formula which will give cos square x. So we know one formula which one is giving cos square x, and that formula is cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So this formula if we will use, then beta, if this formula we will use here, then this one will become 2 cos square x minus 1, and here plus 1 is already there. So plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. Now beta 2 2s are 4 sin 4x into cos square x. That's it. Over. And that is exactly equal to RHS. Understood beta? Understood. Is it difficult or easy? Tell me fast. Is it difficult or easy? Quickly say beta. Did you understood this? Exactly, we have finished it in some lines. What we have done? First I have taken sin 6x plus sin 2x together. Utilize the formula sin a plus sin b, that is 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. I kept it in one side because I was not wanting that part. Okay, very good beta. Now here I want you all to play with tricks now. The last class what questions we have done, they were definitely some very lengthy questions. Now whatever questions will come in trigonometry na beta, based on the previous one you will be able to solve it nicely. Aparna is telling, Anila is telling, Pavitra, Saranya, they have understood. Very good. Kritika is telling understood. Okay, everyone understood na beta. Just play with this trick, you will be able to solve it nicely. I hope you might have understood what you have to do here beta. Nothing we have done here. Just sin c plus sin d formula used, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and then beta this one we have separated it out, not needed. Then here after solving we got sin 4x and sin 4x, 2 sin 4x taken out, cos 2x plus 1 beta, formula for cos 2x, because right side, your first priority is only right side. Okay, and that right side cos square x is there. So cos 2x formula, why I am going to write sin x, sin square x, we are only going to use this formula, that is cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. And then the moment we have written, this question is easy. It has exactly got solved very easily. Understood beta? Understood beta? Tell me fast. Very good. Super. So now shall we go for next question? Shall we go for next question beta? Shall we go for next question? Next CBSE question? NCERT question? Okay. Ready for the next question? I really want you to try this question out. Fine. Next question is, third question, CBSE only, no? NCERT only. Okay. Let's try this question beta. Easy one. Now see how to solve this question. Question given is, question is sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 cos x. This is what we have to prove beta. Again NCERT question. NCERT question. What you have to prove? Sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos x. This is what you have to prove. Now how to prove? Definitely beta you know the formula sin c minus sin d, but here you see down cos square x minus sin square x. Isn't it not reminding you about this formula? We know one formula, cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So this formula we know. Okay. So first we will take this LHS side. In LHS side, first we will write sin x minus sin 3x, then sin square x minus cos square x. See what is not, what is exactly telling me to do is take minus out. from denominator take minus out, that formula is waiting for you. Like that it is exactly telling me. Let's see. Now first bit is sin C minus sin D formula. What is sin C minus sin D formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means cos x plus 3x by 2 into sin x minus 3x by 2. And then beta, denominator I'm going to take this minus outside. The moment minus I am going to take outside, this minus cos square x will become beta cos square x, and then this one will become minus sin square x. Okay, now that means we are ready now, because now this one is cos square x. So what we have done, that part we must say, that is we know that sin C minus sin D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this formula only used, and we know that cos square x minus sin square x is exactly equal to cos 2x. So these two things are there. Okay, so now what we can do here is 2 cos 4x by 2 into sin minus, beta look here, x minus 3x will become minus 2x by 2. And denominator what is there beta? Here cos square. So here directly we can write cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Now beta cancel this one. 2 is coming. And here only one more line. Only one more line and you are going to get the answer. Here it is coming 2 cos 2x into this, and this got cancelled. Sin of minus x. Sin of minus x is coming. And here minus cos 2x. So this cos 2x and this cos 2x gone. So here sin x, I think I have written wrong question. It is coming as sin x. 2 sin x is there in the question. Cos x will not be there. Yeah, did you check? I am getting x. Sin x is the correct one. Correct, Saranya. So here, beta look here. Sin of minus theta is what? Last work. Shall I reduce this? It will be coming in this line itself. Okay. Now beta here, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So here minus 2 sin x by minus 1 will come. Minus minus cancel, since sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So here what is there beta? Here sin of minus x is there. So minus coming out. So 2 sin x minus minus got cancelled. So you have 2 sin x, and that equal to RHS. Proved. So what exactly we did? We did nothing. Just minus is there in the, see, after seeing this part, we just applied sin C minus sin D formula. Sin C minus sin D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 over, and then beta minus taken out. The moment minus taken out, here, from here the moment minus I have taken out, then here cos square x minus sin square x, and we know cos square x minus sin square x formula is cos 2x. Now beta cos 2x and cos 2x got cancelled, because here beta cos 4x by 2 is coming. So 2 will cancel. So cos 2x in denominator and numerator, it got cancelled. So after cancelling, what left is 2 sin of minus x. Sin of minus x is minus 2 sin x, and denominator minus 1 was there. So minus and minus got cancelled. You got 2 sin x, and 2 sin x is nothing but it is equal to RHS. Understood beta? Understood everyone? Understood beta how to solve this one? Children, tell me one time, did you understood how to solve this type of questions? Very good. Very good. Bhumi understood. Super beta. Super. Anila understood. Kritika understood. Pavitra understood. Super. One very tough question is there. One very tough NCERT question. Beta, whatever question today I am dealing with NCERT question. Yesterday also, whatever NCERT question was there, na, I just touched that NCERT question, so that when in school or anywhere you will practice NCERT, you will be knowing the tricks and you will be able to solve it nicely. Okay, specifically with CBSE pattern I have done. Okay, now next question is tan 4x. This is again NCERT question and very important question also. Tan 4x equal to, you have to prove it equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. Now how to do this question? How to do this question? Now look here beta, for this type question, first what we will do is, we will take LHS side, because beta LHS side can be opened nicely and we know tan 2x formula. Now first I am writing tan 2x formula so that you can understand what I am going to do there. So beta tan 2x formula, we already know that tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. This is tan 2x formula. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. This is tan 2x formula. But here what is given? Tan 4x formula. Okay. Now what we are going to do here beta, first we will write LHS. In LHS section, we will be taking tan 4x. Now tan 4x can also be written as tan 2 into 2x. Yes or no? So tan 2 into 2x. Tan 2 into 2x. Now beta tan 2 into 2x means this is now 2x. So wherever tan will be there. Now beta, if you have problem, then you convert, let 2x is equal to y. Then what this one will become? This one will become tan 2y. Now beta tan 2y, according to this formula, it will become 2 tan y by 1 minus tan square y. Okay, that means why I am doing this beta, so that you can have an understanding about formula. That is the most important formula here is tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. I don't want you to confuse about it. So here 2 into 2x is there. So for letting you understand that, here you can do like this. I just took 2x equal to y. Then beta it came into the formula itself. But your y is exactly what? Your y is exactly 2x. So I am going to repeat and I am going to give it back. So you can do directly. Once you will be having habituation of doing this question, then directly you can write. Then you don't have to assume this one. So that means here now it is coming as tan 2 into 2x. That is what this step I have done, so that you can understand here 2 tan y by 1 minus tan square y means same formula you can write. Here only 2x is nothing but y. So here we can write it back, tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. That means what beta? Directly these two steps we can remove if you can have confidence in that. Now you have understood now what I have done. Can I remove these two steps and directly write this one there? Okay, did you understood this to that limit there? I don't have to write this part as 2x is equal to y and directly I can write. May I write it directly so that two steps I can merge and directly write? Can I do it beta? Can I do it? You have understood this part? Yes or no? Tell me. First work is tan 4x. Tan 4x means you can write tan 2 into 2x. Tan 2 into 2x. And you know tan 2x formula. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Now here beta, instead of x, it is 2x given. Okay, shall I do directly? If you will tell, I will directly do. Right. So now that means if you have confidence, then we will not be writing these two steps. Direct we can implement. That means instead of x here, 2x is written. Then what it will come beta? This will directly come as 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. That is what na beta. Here x is there, so here x and tan square x is there. Instead of x, what is there? 2x. So here it will become 2 tan 2x and 1 minus tan square 2x. Just that's it. That's it. Okay, and I told you also, if you have confusion, take 2x is equal to y and after that substitute that also, so that again you will be getting this answer. But beta, you know one very important thing. Tan 2x is what? What is tan 2x? Tan 2x formula is here. So after getting this, again we have to split and write the formula. So what is the formula? Formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. And here, now calculation will be exactly, here tan squared 2x is there. So tan squared 2x is nothing but beta, someone will write like this tan squared 2x and someone will write like this tan 2x whole square. Is it making sense? You will say that both aren't same. Both aren't same. This exactly is the most important point I want you to remember. Always some things are there which will definitely give you confidence, and that is some informations. Like if somebody will tell you sine square theta and sine theta whole square, are these two things different or same? Can anybody tell me what is this? Are they two different or same? Are they two different or same? Sine square theta or sine theta whole square? First tell me, are they two different or same? Quickly write, are they two different or same? If you have understanding about this, you will be able to grip the content very nicely, and then you will be able to solve it in more precise way. So first inform me, sine square theta and sine theta whole square, are they two different or same? Think about it and say. Very good, Saranya. Absolutely correct. Everyone remember this part beta. So if somebody is giving you tan square 2x, that does not mean that it is end of tunnel. It is exactly meaning that it is 1 minus, that is tan 2x whole square. Tan 2x whole square. That's it. Tan square theta is nothing but tan theta whole square. This is one very important information I just wanted to give. Now beta, what is coming here too, definitely this calculation will be taking some time. But are we going to stop ourselves? No. If this is NCERT question, and in school NCERT question is going to come in exam, then definitely solving is very important in NCERT. They tell to write everything with step. So we are going to provide them step. So here it is going to be tan 2x is again 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, now whole square. Now this is the jackpot moment. That means tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, written beta, but outside square is there. Now this square is going to be implemented there. So first work is 2 2s are 4. So now this one will become 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Now beta, this part denominator what it will become? Here it is 1 minus 2 2s are 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Yes or no? Because beta, this square will be distributed in numerator also, this square will be distributed in denominator also. So this square, when it will distribute here, it will become 4 tan square x. Okay, write bit clean, it is looking very dirty. 1 minus this 2 tan x square is coming, so it will become 4 tan square x, and denominator is what beta? Denominator is 1 minus tan square x whole square beta. Now what you have to do? Just question is one step, two step away. What we have done? First we have opened with 2 into 2 tan x, and then after that beta, after opening we have again opened by tan 2x formula. Both numerator and denominator same work done. And here beta, now you multiply with this one, take LCM. What it will come here is 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Now here beta, if you will take LCM, it will go there, it will become 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now beta, now this is time to just solve this part. So 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Now this one beta, it is coming in the format a by b, c by d. So definitely beta, this part is the numerator part. this section is numerator and this section is denominator. So numerator will remain as it is and denominator will turn and come up. So here it will come 1 minus tan square x whole square by, this part will come down. Now may I open together also, means this part is coming here. So shall I open this one and let it come here? So here it is exactly going to come beta. This part will be written as 1 plus tan 4x minus 2 tan square x, and here outside minus 4 tan square x is already there. Now this square and this square cancelled, you got answer 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. In denominator you solve this one, it is coming as 1 plus tan 4x minus 6 tan square x. That is that they told to prove, and that is exactly equal to RHS. Proved. Check this one. What they told to prove? They told only this one to prove only, na? That is 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x, 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x, denominator 1 minus 6 tan square x, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. This is what we had to prove. Understood? So this is what we have delivered also to them, but only in our own cost. We know what we can do. So first what we have told, okay, what we are going to start from this section. We started from this section. We told that tan 4x can be written as 2 into 2x, and then we used tan 2x formula. Instead of x, only one thing is there, 2x. So wherever x was there, we wrote there 2x, and then 2x means again we can split it one more time. So again we can open that by using the formula. So one time numerator and denominator both we have done, and after that we know sine square theta is nothing but sine theta whole square. So that part we have written, and after that beta NCERT question comes in your hand now. Nothing you have to lose, everything you have to only gain once you know the formula and technique of solving. That's you can reduce it 1-2 steps. If you are knowing after this what step is coming, you can specifically better reduce 1-2 steps. But to let you understand, I've just added 1-2 extra steps here. Okay. So this part is numerator, this part is denominator. So this remains same, this turned and it came like this, square, and this part is exactly cancelled. Then 4 tan x 1, this is exactly equal to RHS. Proved. And this is NCERT question. If they will be giving you this question for 5 mark or for 3 mark, is definitely in your pocket now. Quickly say beta, understood? Quickly say this part, understood? This type of questions I really want you to practice. Not for others, not for Khushbu auntie. Never do anything for Khushbu auntie. I want you all to practice this for yourself. Because how much your hands will become free in this, na beta? 12th class will be easy for you. Trigonometry, how much grip you have in trigonometry, that much best you will be in maths and physics, both. In physics also, but I'm telling you. Very good. So beta, today one time after class again you keep your hand free in this. Practice this one more time and take it. Now next question beta. Ready for next question? Here next question is telling beta, it is again very important part, and again angle related questions are coming. So here first I am writing the question. If I will explain also, see what bad color I have used. If x lies between 0 to 2 pi, so that means entire 4 quadrants we are going to take here. Entire 4 quadrants I am telling here. 0 to 2 pi means, 0 to 2 pi means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Total taken. X can lie in any one of the 4 quadrant. Okay. Now after that they are telling, find sine x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 when, now this is lying in all the 4 quadrant, and now see the limitation what they have given. Beta, pick part, what you have to pick and what you have to throw, that you must always know. And here it is given, first part of the question they are telling that when tan x equal to minus 4 by 3 and x lies in second quadrant. See how clever this is. And x lies in second quadrant. So beta, you know what, they have given you something and they have snatched from you something. Exactly one part they have given and another part, big part, they have snatched from you. This is like this type of question. So beta, here how to pick this part is very, very important. Now look here, again from the beginning I am going to explain what is exactly this question is demanding from you. The question is not demanding much, but the question is exactly needing your attention in 2 points here. And that to attention is whenever the boundary, means whenever limits are given, like x lies in second quadrant, that means x by 2. See, they cleverly told that here, if x lies between 0 to 2 pi, if x lies between 0 to 2 pi, and then they are telling that this condition is coming, and for this x, for this condition, here they are telling x lies between 0 to 2 pi, made us very, very happy. Out of quadrant, any 4 quadrant is coming, x by 2 is coming in any of the 4 quadrant, and then they are telling find sin x, cos x and tan x. So exactly separately we have to find this 3 trigonometric ratios value. Okay, but after that they are putting condition that okay, that time tan x is exactly coming minus 4 by 3, and for tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, for this condition x lies in second quadrant. For this condition x lies in second quadrant. That means now one time given and one time taken. That's why I told you specifically what we feel when this type of question is coming is they gave you some power, and this power here is sign positive. Absolutely correct. And the power given here is, you should know which power they have given. Sign is positive and rest other all trigonometric ratio will be negative. So beta, according to this condition, x lies in second quadrant, what we know, x lies in second quadrant, it is only symbolizing one thing, that is now value of x will be lying here in this second quadrant. This x value is lying in this second quadrant, and because of that second quadrant is sign house, so only sign will be positive, cos and tan both will be negative. And see here, tan value what they have given tan value negative. This is an indication that x is exactly present in second quadrant. That's why tan value is coming minus, because in second quadrant only sign can be positive, cos and tan both will be exactly beta negative. Understood? That's why tan value is also given negative to you. Now, clever attempt. What you need here, how can you find the value? See, if I am in your place and somebody will tell me to prove these type of questions, I will not be using trigonometric ratios. Rather than that, I will go by concrete part. Concrete part means what? I will be taking a triangle and I will be writing the value of this 4 and 3, because we know that it is perpendicular by base. So with the help of this, can't I find the hypotenuse? Easy method, finding hypotenuse. Now we know this part. Now triangle, because tan x is there, second quadrant means tan x will be negative. We have understood, so value came negative. So I am not checking right now negative portion. I am seeing this 4 by 3. This is 4, this is 3. I need hypotenuse. The moment I need hypotenuse, I will be writing hypotenuse is 4 square plus 3 square. It is coming 16 plus 25. Sorry, 16 plus 9, that is 25, and that is coming 5. I got hypotenuse 5. That means this side is ultimately going to give me 5. So hypotenuse is 5. Now one step, I didn't did anything. I just got sin x. Now I am going to get sin x. Since x lies in second quadrant, so sin x will be perpendicular by hypotenuse beta. We will write it will be positive. Sin x will be positive because second quadrant is sign house and sign value will come positive. So here we will write x lies in second quadrant. Since x lies in second quadrant, that's it. Why I am going to explain that much to this. Now cos x value will be what? Cos x value will be base by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5, and here it will be negative since x lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. That's it. Tan is negative, cos is negative, sin is positive because it's sign house. So x lies in second quadrant. But you will say, auntie, in question it is given x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, and you are finding tan x, sin x, cos x. For what you are finding? But I am finding for this only. I'm finding for this only. You know what is cos x can do? Cos x can do miracles, beta. You know cos x can do miracles. You know one formula now? 2 days. You know, I'm disclosing my weapons today. 2-3 days, last 2-3 days what I taught you was formula grip. And today I have requested you something, beta. That request was to go through the formula, beta. Once you will learn that formula trick, after that, beta, you can handle these questions nicely, because whatever you will do from today onwards, it will be only implementation of formula. Now what formula I can use here so that I can get cos x by 2? What formula I can use here so that I can get sin x by 2? Just wait and watch. One small thing I am going to do, and all the values will come automatically. It will be coming by in your hand itself. Okay, now look here. Small things, beta. In 2 lines we have done. First we got this one. We just draw a triangle, and after drawing the triangle, since it is coming in second quadrant, we got sin x value, we got cos x value. Work over. After that, complete formula command. If you have formula command, you can solve it. Now look here. We know this formula. See which formula. You will not be expecting this formula to come also. Sin cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Tell me yes or no. First, I will let you play with this. Learn this method. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now I am holding this question to let you understand how to solve. Now look here. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Yes or no? Now if I am reducing this angle by half, then it will become cos x. Cos x will become 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Then I am going to shift this minus 1 this side. Now I am having cos x plus 1 equal to 2 cos square x by 2. And then I will shift this 2 down. Cos x plus 1 by 2 equal to cos square x by 2. Take square root on both sides. And at the time of teaching function, I told you that when square and root is coming, it will get converted into cos x by 2 modulus. So now root and square will convert cos x by 2 into modulus, beta, and here it will become root under cos x plus 1 by 2. And beta, here the moment this modulus will go, cos x by 2 will give you 2 values, positive, negative, cos x plus 1 by 2. And beta, block by block, I taught you everything. I didn't left anything. If you might have attended from the beginning class everything, today you might be understanding that why auntie is done and why in books it is written like this. In books many a times you will be seeing that, beta, after this directly they are writing one side as plus minus, and you will have always confusion that why they have not written plus minus this side, why they have written plus minus this side. The reason is only one, beta. You must know this one. Again, those who have not understood this part, root under x square means x square and root is there, that means only one thing, it is modulus of x. Okay, so here it is 4 and root is there, that means 4 means 2, beta. Then the moment this modulus will resolve, it will give you x equal to plus minus 2. This command is needed here, otherwise problem will come. Now Sarnya got it, beta? And this is what, beta, I was requesting that you should see this formulas nicely today. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x, but did I need cos 2x? We need only cos x because we got formula of cos x. So we got formula of cos x, and now we know this method. So directly shall we write here, cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. That means now we can shift here. It will become, beta, 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, now shift this 2 down. It will become 1 plus cos x by 2. And then, beta, here cos square x is there. Cos square x is there. Now, beta, x by 2 is there. Now take root on both sides. The moment you will take root on both sides, I told you what? Here square and root. Function square and root is there. This will be as it is, 1 plus cos x by 2. But this side will get converted into modulus of cos x whole square, means the moment square and root cancel, modulus came, and the moment this modulus will go, this will give plus minus this side. And this is a very important concept to remember in your brain. Okay, now beta just implementation of cos x value. What is cos x? Minus 3 by 2. Just write cos x here, minus 3 by 2. Now I am not keeping it because this part I have explained. I want you, if you have time, you write this in your note and keep it beta. Very important. Now here this part will come, just put the value there. It is coming 1 minus cos x value, what you got? 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5 by 2 equal to cos x by 2. So here plus minus 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. A by B beta. Just take an LCM and then this part, denominator part, is written like this. So now this is coming as equal to cos x by 2. That means what beta? Plus minus. So cos x by 2 equal to plus minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. That's it. Cos x by 2 equal to plus minus root under 1 by 5. Children, understood this part? Understood how to solve this one? Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly, you've understood this part beta. Now x is exactly what they told, that it is coming in all the 4 quadrant. In all the 4 quadrant, x by 2 is common. So you can take plus value also, minus value also. Both values you can take. Understood? So beta, these sections are very, very important. Technically, if you will be strong in this, no one can defeat you beta, I am telling you. Now second part of the question. Now you have to find sin x by 2. Sin x by 2. Then which formula we should use? Are we going to use this formula? Are we going to use this formula? Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Never. I am not going to use this formula. You know why? Because this is going to put me in trap. Cos x by 2 formula is plus minus root under 1 by 5. I am never wanting to go by this. Can we go by this method? If I will be in your place, I will never be wanting to go, because plus minus settling this part, that part. So fresh I know one formula. Fresh I know one formula. That formula is again the same formula that will help you. And that is beta, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Remember this formula? From the last 2-3 days we do this formula now. Cos 2x is cos 2x. What is the formula? Formula is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then beta, cos x will be what? Cos x will be what? If cos 2x is this much, then what will be cos x? You can directly say, auntie, cos x will come as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, auntie. 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, directly it will come, auntie. That is what I am going to do here. So I will shift this one that side, this one this side. So it will come 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos x. Sorry, 1 minus cos x. So here minus under 1 minus cos x by 2. Now cos x formula you implement here. Cos x is negative. So 1 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 by 2 beta. Understood what I have done here? Second one, I started solving second part. Now beta, here it is coming cos x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. This part shifted, we got sin x by 2 because we have to find sin x by 2. Now beta, here it will become plus minus sin x by 2 only, na? Sin x by 2 equal to plus minus 5 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. So sin x by 2 equal to plus minus 8 by 5 into 1 by 2. So it is coming beta, sin x by 2 equal to plus minus 4 by 5. That's it. Plus minus 4 by 5. Plus minus 4 by 5. Okay, now next one beta, next one. We need next one, that is tan x by 2. What we can do for tan x by 2? Anybody tell me what we can do for tan x by 2? For tan x by 2, any idea? For tan x by 2, if somebody will tell you what you are going to do. I'll tell you one shortcut formula for tan x by 2. The most easiest and shortcut formula for tan x by 2 is it will always work. Tan x by 2 is equal to root under 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Just substitute the formula and you will be able to get the answer. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Divide sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Absolutely, you can go that like that also. Aha. Thank you, Saranya. Thank you, Saru. Very good, beta. So here tan x will be, okay, tan x by 2. We need tan x by 2. So here it is sin x by 2. But very careful, Saranya, plus minus will have to come. Plus minus will have to come, Saru. There, that part, na? Handling that section, you are telling it. Okay, I am doing it. But if I am going from that region, I may be losing plus minus. And I have to bring plus minus. Saru, I have to bring plus minus, beta. That only is bit tricky. Plus minus I can't lose, Saru. Okay, fine. Let's see. I'm going to take that. Your point I'm taking. Let's see what happens. Afterwards I will decide. Sin x by 2. Here it is coming root under 4 by 5. This one is plus minus root under 1 by 5. Plus minus going. 2 by root 5 into root 5 by 1. 2 is coming. So tan x by 2 is coming 2. Fine. Region, let me check one time beta one thing. Then I will decide. Any question, any separate demand they have not asked now. Tan x is minus 4 by 3. It is in second quadrant. Fine. X by 2. X is telling into 2 pi. Any demand, x is coming between 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi plus full part where, okay, x can come between 0 to 2 pi, full total 360 degree. We are going to check there. Tan x by 2, tan x is coming second quadrant, half of it, angle half. Okay, we can write like this. The reason beta why, because tan x by 2 angle half value will be changing. Okay, we can write plus, no problem. But if we will have problem, then you can write this formula. The formula because here plus minus will be there. The most important thing here is plus minus will be there, and this one will be coming 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, and just you have to put 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x value, then beta plus minus both will be exactly there, and then you decide tan x by 2. Which region it will be coming, let them decide, because once you are giving them plus minus, then nobody will be asking. Yes, and because of that only, Saranya, because of that part beta, because of that section only, Saranya, you know what, sometimes like negative taking minus, it won't be negative, auntie. No, won't it be negative, auntie? That's what, Saranya, I just wanted the region to be plus minus containing. After that, if it is in positive region, positive answer, negative region, negative answer. So definitely beta, to be safe, right, plus minus, and that's why beta here plus minus was exactly getting, that's why I told you that, then I went by that method. So that is what, initially itself beta, I just wanted to go by this. Think about it, won't it be negative, auntie? That's what beta, that's what, Region selection has to be very carefully done, specifically in trigonometry. Now let's solve another question. Fine. Let's solve one more question, beta, like this. Everyone first quickly tell, did you understood the technique of solving? It is totally formula based, beta, totally formula based. I am giving you one NCERT question. Now this question is really a super question, NCERT question. And beta, same thing, but this time I want you to try this question and solve. Okay, now ready? Ready everyone? NCERT question. Now beta, be careful whenever here these type of questions are coming, that is tan x is equal to 3 by 4. Now exactly x is coming between pi to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Again beta, shortcut. I am not going to go by angle, half or this thing, that thing. I am just going to see that this limit I am going to see. Tan x is equal to 3 by 4 given to me, and I am seeing here this part. X lies between 180 to 270. 180 to 270, that is the jackpot part for me, because whenever intervals are given beta, never ignore that intervals. They have given for a reason. They told that okay, x is lying in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant tan is positive, but other trigonometric ratio whatever will come, it will become negative. So that's why beta, this is an alarm, it is a bell. You have to exactly listen to it, otherwise all the question answers will become wrong. Okay, now look here, I told you draw a triangle. So first information given here is tan x will be positive, but sin x and cos x answer both will be negative. You have to catch this point. Next, triangle draw. Now here tan x is given, so 3, 4, hypotenuse 3 square, 4 square, 25, 5. So hypotenuse again came 5. Now beta, next sin x. You know sin x is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is given what? 3. Hypotenuse is coming 5. But I told you now one bell is there. That bell is exactly ringing very badly. And that is exactly beta what? X lies between 180 to 270. So here sin x value will be negative. Now cos x value beta, cos x value will also be negative, because in third quadrant other trigonometric ratios will become negative, but tan x and cot x means tangent and cotangent will only be beta positive. So here it will become minus 4 by 5. One small change. And then beta, I told you formula. They told find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. You know how to find cos square 2 cos square x minus 1 is cos x. You already have cos x formula. Now shift this side. It is coming cos square x equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. Take square root. The moment you are taking square root beta, square and root modulus of cos x by 2. Here it is cos x by 2. So now it is coming modulus of cos x by 2, and modulus of cos x by 2 means modulus of cos x by 2 means cos x by 2 will give you two values, plus minus. Now here plus minus given, then here cos x value negative, so 1 minus 4 by 5 by 2. Now solve it. Plus minus 5 minus 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. So now this one is coming plus minus 1 by 10. So first one is coming plus minus 1 by 10. Understood? So cos x value is coming plus minus 1 by 10. So you have beta, you have cos x by 2 value plus minus 1 by 10. Plus minus 1 by 10. Now region positive and negative. That is what the most important part is. So cos x by 2, cos x by 2. What will be your overall answer? What will be your overall answer? In this part, x is not going to save you, because x itself told that I belongs to 180 to 270. 180 to 270. Then you do your work alone. So here if cos x by 2 is coming plus minus 1 by root under 10, then what will be the final answer? What will be the final answer, beta? Can anybody tell me what will be the final answer? Plus or minus? Beta, here strictly written that x lies in the third quadrant. Never ignore. I told you, because I'm knowing that here if you will not hear this alarm, then definitely it is going to create problem. If someone will go and leave this part and x is exactly coming between pi and 270, that means story over. Then silently you have to write like this. So plus and minus both is coming, but since x lies in third quadrant, cos x by 2, if you will do half also, it will go to second quadrant or somewhere. So here minus 1 by root under 10. This will become your answer. Cos x by 2 answer will come minus 1 by root under 10. Understood? Negative, absolutely negative. So this is what, beta, when they are giving limit na, that x lies in which quadrant, you have to specifically deal with that. Otherwise falling is very obvious. Now here if you got this value, my work is to save you from that only. And that's why, beta, from the beginning I am telling you, interval understanding is very, very important. And once you will have grip in interval understanding, beta, no one can pull your leg. Now next part, beta. Second part. Again, I told you sin x is negative, cos x is negative, coming in third quadrant x. You reduce the angle. Now here, second case will come. Cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Shift this one that side, so it will come 2 sin square x by 2. Shift this one, so it is coming 1 minus cos x. Okay, now that means sin square x by 2 will become 1 minus cos x by 2. Take square root on both sides, beta. Now it is again going to get converted into modulus. And here 1 minus cos x by 2, beta. So the moment modulus will break, it will give you what? It will give you plus minus root under 1 minus cos x by 2, beta. Now cos x value is minus 4 by 5. So here this time it will become 1 plus minus into minus will become plus 4 by 5 by 2. So ultimately this one will become, beta, plus minus sin 2x value will become sin x by 2 value will become plus minus root under 5 plus 1, that is 9 by 5, and this one will go up, beta, 1 by 2. So sin x by 2 equal to plus minus 9 by 10. But we know third quadrant, so sin x by 2 again coming negative, sin x by 2 minus 3 by root under 10. Now, beta, Vishal, just 1 minute, beta, just 1 minute, Vishal. Now, beta, most important part here is sin x by 2 we got, tan x, cos x by 2 we got, tan x by 2. Beta, it is in third quadrant, so tan value will be exactly coming positive or negative. Just tell me. Positive or negative, tell me. And sin value will be coming positive or negative, tell me. You have two tricks here. Pick this part. I really want you to crack this one. The answer will come here, positive or negative. If you will tell this is correct or wrong, here only you will fall. 100% here you will fall. 100% you will fall here. No, I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied here, beta. I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied. Here this will not be minus. This will be plus. I'm telling you this will be plus. Now, understand why it will be plus? Sign will be negative. No, sign will be positive. Sign will be positive, I am telling you. You know why I am telling you sign will be positive? Now look here, beta. Now just understand this part. You will understand the entire section of it, beta. Just 1 minute, hold it. Now look here. You got x. Sin x is negative in third quadrant. Sin x is negative in third quadrant. Just listen to me one thing, beta. You will be able to catch it like anything. Now sin x is there and x value lies between 180 to 270. Trust me, you will be doing it correctly. Now 180 to 270. Take any angle between 180 to 270. Give me any angle between 180 to 270 quickly. Give me any angle between 180 to 270. Quickly give me any angle. Quickly give me any angle. I'm asking an angle from you. Quickly give me any angle between 180 to 270. Right? Type it and send me fast. 198. Thank you so much, Saranya. Half of 198. Half of 198 do. How much you are getting? 99 degree. 99 degree will be there for sin x also, tan x also, cos x also. And 99 degree comes in which quadrant? Tell me. 99 degree comes in which quadrant? X is coming in third quadrant. Then x by 2 will come in which quadrant? Think about it. 190 degree. Okay, you gave me 190 degree. I am ready to play with this. 95 degree. Coming in which quadrant? Tell me. Half of x is coming in which quadrant? 260 degree. Thank you so much. Half of 260 degree is 130 degree. 130 degree comes in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Half of x by 2, x is coming in third quadrant. Do half of x. Do half of x. This is the most important trick you have to follow, beta. And after that, no one will be exactly able to say that you are wrong. Now look here. Here, x lies in third quadrant. So, sin x and cos x is negative. I was knowing that definitely this part you will be understanding very nicely. Okay, this part you have understood very nicely. Cos x is coming negative. Then I caught this part and I am telling that, okay, let's see what they are understanding about cos x by 2. So, definitely beta, half angle if you are doing, it is coming in, if whatever value of x you take x value as 250. 250 divided by 2. How much it is coming? 125. 125 lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine is positive. So I will write sine is positive. Second quadrant, cos is negative. So I will write cos is negative. And now what will be the value of tan x by 2? Positive or negative? Tell me fast. Tan x by 2. And that's why, Saranya, in the previous question, I was just thinking that what to say to you. Now tell, quickly say beta, quickly say, what will be tan x in the second quadrant, tan x by 2. Beta, right now you are not handling with x, you are handling with x by 2. Quickly say beta, quickly say, just 1 minute beta, 1 minute, one last minute beta, one last minute. Negative, that is the correct answer, Kritika. So tan x by 2, it will be exactly giving you negative value because sine is negative, sine is positive. And now Saranya, I can use your formula. I can use your formula. There are ways to handle this type of questions, Saranya. And definitely beta, I really want the answer will come -3. Tan x by 2 answer will come -3 beta. Understood na beta? X, tomorrow one more time I am going to explain this one. Today time is over. So tomorrow one last time I am going to explain this part. One more question I am going to show you because beta competitions and all, I don't want you to fall in this angle problem. Angle problem is once multiple angles will be there, sub angles will be there, definitely you will have some problem. Bye beta, bye everyone, bye.